Along with the ZenFone 5 and ZenFone 5Z, ASUS has also revealed a mid-range smartphone with an 18:9 display and quad cameras, the ZenFone 5Q, or globally known as the ZenFone 5 Lite. Are you interested to see what's inside the package of the ASUS ZenFone 5Q? Let's check it out. The first things you'll see when you open the package is a box that contains a SIM ejector tool and user manual. The package we received for this unboxing doesn't have a clear case, but ASUS says that the final retail package will have it included. Next up is the device itself. It has a slightly smaller 6-inch screen but with the same Full HD Plus resolution and 18:9 aspect ratio. The result is a smartphone with a large display and slim bezels, but as compact as a standard aspect ratio 5.5-inch phone. What we have here is a black version of the device. Next is the micro USB adapter, the earphones, the charger, and last but not the least, some extra earbuds for good measure. Alright, now that we've seen all the accessories, let's now look at the ZenFone 5Q itself. The front and back panels are covered with 2.5D glass, which makes it pleasant to look at. Compared to the ZenFone 4 series, you'll notice that they have removed the capacitive buttons and repositioned the fingerprint scanner at the back. The ZenFone 5Q has interesting specs with its main features having a quad camera setup, face unlock, NFC, dedicated micro SD card slot, and a Snapdragon 630 processor. Alright, and that wraps up our unboxing of the ZenFone 5Q. We'll be taking a closer look at the device in the coming days, so let us know what you think about it in the comment section below. We also did a hands-on of this smartphone at the MWC 2018 in Barcelona, which you can watch here. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more of our videos. Again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!